This video, we're going to learn how to do a takeout. So you know from previous videos, a take-in is where most of the inventory input in rows happen. So a consignor comes in the door, they've got a bag of shoes, a bunch of items on hangers. We record that take-in so in a quick note, so we know what, generically what came in the door. We can provide that take-in receipt to the consignor. And then we build inventory out of that take-in order. Now, take out is where we're going to remove items from rows. So let's go to the hamburger menu at the top left and click take out. You can see the staff's not currently working on any takeouts right now. So we're going to click create. We have two options right now. We have donate, which means it's going to be removed from selling inventory and placed in the consignor's donate file. And then we have return, and return is where a consignor comes in the door and they're going to remove their unsold items from inventory. So they pull them off the floor, we take those tags off, and then we're going to scan those tags into rows and remove those items from the selling inventory. So in this case, let's do a return. So that requires a contract number, and we're going to hit save takeout. And now that drops us down to the SKU field. So let's scan this first one. And let's do this next one. So we're going to return these two items back to the consignor. Now we pulled those tags off, so we can do it when it's convenient for us, or we do it on the spot. So you have that ability to quickly remove those items. So we're going to hit. Actually, we don't need to do anything else. These are safely saved, so if we need to do something else, we can navigate away from this page and those items will still be there when we come back. If we're done though, everything looks good. We can see the status is return, so these are returned items, and we can see the user that this return is going to be attached to. So in this case, I'm logged in as admin, so my username that this return is going to be placed against is going to be admin on there. So everything looks good. I'm going to hit complete takeout. You can see the status now is processing. So let's create another one. And this one's going to be a donate. So we don't need any contract information for it. So we're just going to hit save takeout. And now we're back in that drop down menu. In this case, I'm going to donate these widgets. You can see the status is now donate. And you can see the recorded user is admin. So it's me. And this item is going to get pulled from this consignor's selling inventory, and it's going to go into the donate file for that consignor. Everything looks good. We're going to hit complete takeout. You can see the previous one has finished processing, is removed automatically, and now we have this current one that's processing. So you might have a couple takeouts that you're working on throughout the day, and then at the end of the day, when you're done with those takeouts, you'll hit complete takeout and process those takeouts and remove them from inventory. And that is how we do a takeout in rows.